Discover the Blynk mobile app development platform. In this video, we'll explore its features, usability, and ideal user. Product links are below. Blynk empowers you to create mobile apps for IoT, Internet of Things, projects. Whether beginner or pro, hobbyist or experienced developer, Blynk's tools cater to all. Its no-code, low-code environment makes it incredibly accessible, yet it offers advanced features for deeper customization. Blynk's drag-and-drop interface lets you design apps in minutes, without coding. It supports a wide range of devices and sensors, perfect for home automation, remote monitoring, and data collection. Seamless integration with Arduino, Raspberry Pi, and ESP8266 is included, along with over-the-air (OTA) updates for remote device management. The Blynk Cloud enables real-time data visualization and monitoring. Create dashboards, graphs, and control widgets from your phone. APIs offer deeper integration and platform expansion. Blynk offers a free version with basic features and premium plans for advanced needs like increased device capacity, storage, and team collaboration. Blynk is excellent for building IoT mobile apps, offering simplicity, flexibility, and scalability. From small projects to large-scale deployments, Blynk has you covered. Check the links below to get started.